guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Fashion. If you guys are new here, please click that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be a skincare routine. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use on my skin and how I keep my skin clear. I'm going to be actually using the products in this video, and right now I'm just going to show you guys the stuff that's before me. So I always rant about this product on my channel. I use the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash, and this works so well for my skin. It's a really good product and I really do recommend it to everybody. I feel like it just makes your skin brighter. If you use it consistently, you will definitely see a change in your skin. I get really bad breakouts on my forehead. Most of the time it's from the hair gel that I use, so I switched my gel back to like my normal one, and right now it's kind of like I had like 2-3 pimples and they're going away. So I use this product all the time. I tested this out a while ago and I used it for like a month straight. Like I used it every day, every morning, and it actually kept my skin clear. And I like, sometimes I don't use face wash, I'll just use water, and that's kind of like my downfall sometimes, because you do need like a wash sometimes just to keep your skin refreshed. CeraVe. This is a face moisturizer, but this is actually for bumpy and rough skin, and I don't have that, so I only used this once and it did feel good on my skin. So I would recommend like any product from this brand because it works. The moisturizer that I use on my skin is the cocoa butter formula from Palmer's. It's a regular moisturizer. I feel like it just works for me and I keep it very simple. You guys should go get it. I have some new products that I've been trying. The Badescu facial spray. This is like something to refresh your skin throughout the day, and I recommend it. It works. It doesn't really smell too good, but it's not like a horrible scent. But I recommend this facial spray. Another new product that I have is the Burts eye cream. This is for sensitive skin, and I've been using their face wash, so I just feel like this is gonna work just because the face wash was so good and it was sensitive. Like the collection, they have a whole collection of face moisturizer, eye cream, and face wash, and I only used this one time, but we're gonna try it again today. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in the bathroom and wash my face and show you guys all the products that I use, and you know, get the skin, you know, just clear. So now that I'm done washing my face, I'm going to use this eye cream, the Burt's eye cream. I don't know which one I use first, so I feel like I should just use this. It's kind of a lot. Oh well. Oh, this really is a lot. Too much on under my eyes, so I'm just gonna wipe this off with a napkin. I'm gonna rub this in. I'm gonna spray my face with the Badescu facial spray. I need some Carmex, but other than that, my skin is looking really like glowy right now. Wow, that looks really good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. All my social medias will be linked down below and on the screen. Leave some video suggestions down below. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Drip is different, the drip is different. I'm not asleep, but the whips is different. Smoking these L's, but the niggas stay winning. 6 headshots got you looking like Krillin. I'm like Ragu, so you know I be saucing. I'm not a dentist, but should I be flossing? Phones been ringing, the money be calling. All of these shooters, but they don't be ballin'. Drip, ayy,